Hi everyone, I'm coming on to give you some recommendations before this tutorial starts. First off, this is the snow globe nails that I've done, but this is my right hand, which I will be doing with my left hand, and I always try to do an easier design because I'm using my non-dominant hand. Alright, now the recommendation is that when you do gel nails, what I try to always do is to put the form on and sculpt a clear nail first, then remove the form, and then apply all the decorations, stones, whatever, glitters, the opaque gels, apply them, flash curing in between, and that way it will ensure that when you use opaque colored gels, they'll cure all the way through because the nail is clear, and it can cure from underneath and on top. It just cures better. And when I did it in this video, I applied everything onto the form, and that white opaque gel, it did not want to cure. It couldn't cure all the way through on the form. So you'll see in this video a part where I remove the form, and on the form, if you look closely, you'll see some of that gel didn't cure. And once I got the form off, I had to put my nail into the UV light and cure it all the way. So it's just a recommendation to always, put your form on and build a clear nail first. That way you'll ensure proper curing of your opaque colored gels. Alright, with that being said, let's continue on to the tutorial, and I hope you enjoy it. Thanks for watching and have a great day. Bye!